If you thought your favorite Bollywood celebs were as serious as the characters they play, you are absolutely wrong. These goofy stars have pulled hilarious pranks on their co-stars that will leave you rolling on the floor laughing. Although in Hollywood, pranking is fairly common. In India, since the fan following is so large, it becomes complicated logistically. Any prank requires some amount of planning, and Bollywood presence will always garner attention. Hence, as a result, we have very few of them, and the ones we do are in fact collaboration with the brand they are associated with or for film promotions. However, the result of all of them is pure magic. The look you see on the fan's face is like fireworks lighting up the sky. Since we are all looking for some good content in our lives during these hard times, so here is Everything is Cinema presenting the actors of B-Town and their famous pranks. Watch this video till the end and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So first on my list is Sunny Leone versus the crew. The fun started when the unsuspecting Sunny was pranked by the crew members while she sat reading the script on the set of Jism 2. The actress broke into a fit of madness when the crew members threw a fake snake on her. But Sunny did seek the perfect revenge. She won back the prankster award from her opponent when she hit him with not just one but two kicks right on his face. The second on my list is Ranbir Kapoor. For the brand Cars and Bikes, Ranbir Kapoor dressed up as a Renault car salesman and showed an unsuspecting couple around their latest car.
Please. 180 mm ground clearance. इंडिया के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है सर. मैम, खूब सारे फीचर है सर.
What is it doing?
The next is Ajay Devgan. For the promotion of his film Shivai, Ajay met a few of his superfans who had no idea he was going to show up. They even have BTS of them exclaiming why they love the 51-year-old actor.
Hello guys.
Hello sir, big star sir, big star.
Hello for everyone. So he is Mr. Ajay Devgan. दिसंबर में शादी कर रहे हो, मुझे नहीं बुला रहे, मेरी वजह से शादी कर रहे हो.
Number 4 is also Ajay Devgan and Rohit Shetty both. The fact that I will cite more than a single example of his pranks in this list speaks volume about his addiction to pranking the hell out of people. Ajay Devgan, notorious for his goofy goodness, ganged up with the director and closely Rohit Shetty while shooting for Singham Returns and successfully fooling the entire cast and crew of the film to believe that the shoot location was haunted. What's more is they went as far as making a spot boy roam around in white gown just to terrify people. Number 5 is our favorite Shah Rukh Khan. As part of Visit Dubai initiative, which promotes tourism to the country, the Shahnshah of Bollywood surprised a number of his fans at a number of locations. From the Burj Al Arab dinner to joggers at the local beach, there were no stones left unturned.
Hi everyone. Did you order this?
Number 6 from my list is Akshay Kumar. From stealing co-actors' cell phones and messaging random people, putting 20 spoons in Kajal Agrawal's bag when she was busy interacting with the media, for which she got caught in the security check by the security, to pouring a whole cup of salt into the omelette which Katrina made for the judges on the set of MasterChef India. The witty Akshay Kumar has done it all with ease. No wonder he fits in perfectly in those comic roles.
This is what he does to me all the time. Utter nonsense. You got me.
Number 7th is our own Ranveer Singh. Trust me guys, only Ranveer can do this with absolutely no brand commitment at all. He took to the streets of Mumbai in dead-ass traffic in a Krish costume as directed by Hrithik Roshan, only to pull out some dance moves and meet his fans. No wonder we all love his crazy energy. Number 8 from my list is Anil Kapoor. As part of the Being Indian campaign, the 63-year-old actor actually surprised an entire family of superfans who had no idea what to expect. Naturally, they all are left shocked when the Mr. India actor casually walked into their home.
Yes.
Number 9th is Vicky Kaushal and Yami Gautam. For the promotions of Uri, the two lead actors pranked a fan from Bandra through their stint at Radio Mirchi. They go all the way, making the poor guy fall for their threats and scares.
देखिए यहाँ पे जिन्होंने कंप्लेंट की है वो भी मेरे साथ हैं एंड काफी गुस्सा हैं. मैं उनकी आपसे बात करा रहा हूँ.
Excuse me, hello.
I know,
ma'am.
Don't you know what you did?
It's
so bad. You shouldn't have done it.
एक मिनट रुको, बड़े साहब बात करना चाहते हैं. हमारे स्टेशन के हेड हैं वो.
सर मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है.
कुछ नहीं किया.
आप
मेरे सामने इधर महिला बैठी है. एक मिनट, मेरे सामने इधर महिला बैठी है.
अरे
पूरा सोशल मीडिया पेज खुला है. तेरे को मालूम है ना, साइबर सेल सुना है तूने?
आपको पता.
The last from my list is Sonu Nigam. Again, as part of a Being Indian prank, the 46-year-old singer took the prank to a whole new level, where not only did he dress up like a homeless person, he even sat on the streets of Mumbai with a harmonium and sang as though he didn't know what talent was.
माशाल्लाह आपकी आवाज बहुत अच्छी है. आप गाओगे, मैं रिकॉर्ड कर सकता हूँ? रिकॉर्ड करूँ?
रे गा मा पा धा नि सा नि धा प म ग रे ग रे सा रे रे सा रे गा मा पा धा नि सा प नि रे सा नि धा प म ग रे ग रे सा रे रे सा गा मा पा म ग रे गा मा पा धा नि धा प म ग रे ग रे सा रे रे सा.
So that's it people. Thank you so much. Hope you like this video. Please like and share this video. Also consider subscribing to the channel and also hit the bell icon for more videos like this. I post videos every week. My name is Kapil Batra, signing off. Love cinema.